Hello and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new here. Today we've got a new subscription box to the channel, and it is a brand new box that they just started. It is the Beauty Moon Cosmetics subscription box, and this is the very first box, and I've got it in my hot hands here. And it is all the way from the UK. Beauty Moon Cosmetics is an indie brand from the UK, and we're gonna see what we got here. After the conversion rates and everything, this was around, I want to say $50 or so. And this is the Beauty Moon subscription pink edition. We have this, and on the back it says what we got here. It says, welcome to Beauty Moon Cosmetics. I'm hiding from myself what's in here. First subscription box. We are so excited to bring you this wonderful box and can't wait for you all to try it. This box brings you 5 full-size items, and the theme this month, of course, is pink. Thank you for supporting a small business. Tag us in your unboxing vids and looks at Beauty Moon Cosmetics. And I found out about this through their Instagram, and their Instagram is at beauty_moon cosmetics. And yeah, I will do just that. So let me put this under here, and we have some pink rose petals here, and it looks like we have a loose shadow here. So let me get all this out of the way, and then everything else is wrapped up here. So very pretty presentation. Okay. And let me just get these things. 1, 2, 3, 4, and I think the 5th thing was that shadow there. No, that was just an extra bonus. Oh, great. Something's wrong with her. And looks like we've got a brush here. So let's set this on the floor over here. Let me pick this up off the floor here, and it's 5 full-size products. So let me start with this little extra thing that was in here. This is a loose powder, and it doesn't say what it is, but that's what it looks like in there. And oh, this is very pretty. Looks like it would make a very pretty, I don't know if you can see that, but makes a very pretty inner corner highlight shade, or just a topper in general. So that is very pretty. I wish I knew the name of that. No, that is not on here. That's not on here. So I'll put it over here with my single shadows. Right there. So let's start with this brush here. This is a foundation brush, and it is 9 pounds. 9 pounds for the foundation brush. And this is what it looks like, and it comes in its own little holder there. So yeah, I think this box was like 40 pounds, and they're doing it like every 3 months. So they said the next time they were going to charge me was going to be in July. So I think this is going to be a every 3 months kind of box that they're going to be doing, not an every month box. So this is the foundation brush, and it feels nice and not too firm, but not too soft either. So this feels like a nice brush. Definitely going to try that out. Let me put it over here though. Let's put it over there. And then we have a setting spray, a matte finish setting spray. Okay, I don't have a matte setting spray, but they do have a matte setting spray, and this is 11 pound. Let's prime it up there. It has a nice scent to it. Racking up the setting sprays over here. Kind of mattify my look for this evening. I am going out this evening. And then we have a matte to glitter lip gloss for 12 pounds. Comes in this shade. Oh, wow, that's quite a color. That kind of matches what I'm wearing. This is in the shade Starlit Kiss. Again, they are an indie brand. That is a really nice color. Does it have glitter in it? Well, there's one way to find out. Let's put it on my lips. Let me take off what I'm wearing. It says it's a matte to glitter lip gloss. My lips don't really do well with matte products. See, they don't really do well with matte products. Let me see something here. I don't know exactly where the glitter is, but I'll show you where we have some glitter. And this little glitter shade here. That makes it look better. That makes it look 10 times better. 100 times better. And then we put some lip gloss on top. Some shiny lip gloss. And there. We have quite a nice looking lip going there. I like that. I usually have to put lip gloss on top of a matte anyways to make it work. So there, we go with that. Okay, what we got next? I'll put this up here. So that's a fun summer and spring shade. We have a duochrome highlighter drop. A pink liquid highlighter. Oh, fun. Look at that. That is fun. For 13 pounds. Okay, I hope that the dropper works. Okay, there we go. Okay, I put just a little bit on my hand. I'm not gonna try this out on my face today. That is wet. That is very wet. But that is what she looks like. Let's see. There we get a better picture of it. There. It's got pink sparkles in it. It's kind of a wet feeling with pink sparkles in it. So that is very pretty. That is what the packaging looks like right there. It's very pretty. And then the last thing we have is a 4-pan eyeshadow palette that is for £19. And we got it right there, and it is factory sealed. So I'm sorry about the crackling sounds that you're gonna hear. Oh, I can't wait to see this. It's called the Moonlit. It's called Moonlit Petals. Moonlit Petals. And that's what the packaging looks like. Let me take this highlighter off my hands. Ooh, very, very pretty. And I will swatch these for you. It doesn't have shade names. Well, let's swatch the matte. Oh, it does have shade names. It's just very, very light. Orchid Mist and Velvet Eclipse. Okay, we have Orchid Mist and Velvet Eclipse there. Those would make good blush shades too. Oh, well, that's a good silver there. Then we got, oh wow, that is Vanilla Veil. That is some high shine right there. And this, is this a duochrome? This is Blush Drift. Let me get it on my hand and check this out. Blush Drift. That is definitely a duochrome. So that is the palette there. Wow, those are beautiful colors. So we got the Moonlit Petals palette there. So those were the 5 items, the 6 items that were in the box, the Beauty Moon subscription box, the pink edition. So we have the matte, we have the little loose powder, the loose eyeshadow powder, we had the matte finish setting spray, we had the pink liquid highlighter, we had the matte to glitter lip gloss, or just the matte liquid lip, I would say. Still looking good. And that matte spray definitely looks good. We had the 4-pan eyeshadow palette, and we had the foundation brush. So I think that was a good subscription box. Definitely a good subscription box. And you do have to pay extra to have it shipped to you in the United States if you get it. If you do get, I know that, I think they are sold out. I think they are sold out of this box in particular. But they might have more coming up. Just go follow them on Instagram at beauty_moon cosmetics, and just keep tabs on them. Just keep tabs on them there. And yeah, like this video if you thought this was interesting. Yeah, to check out a new brand, to check out a new box. Not a new brand, they're not a new brand, but it's a new subscription box. It's a new subscription box. Tell me what you think of the products. and all that good stuff. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Share this with your friends if you think they would enjoy it, and all that good stuff. Oh, I forgot to turn on my sign, but I'm sending you out all of those good vibes anyway, and I will see you in the next video. Okay, goodbye.